In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a local pickup option fast and easy. This is a great feature to offer your customers if you run an online store and want to provide a more flexible shipping choice. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, keep an eye out for the sidebar where you can find and click on WooCommerce. This will take you to the area where most of your e-commerce functionalities are managed. Next, from the WooCommerce menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations related to your store's operation, including currency, products, and most importantly for us today, shipping. It's important to know where this is because you'll return here for other operational tweaks down the line. After the Settings page loads, click on the Shipping tab. This is where you'll configure all shipping-related settings for your store. Once you're on the shipping page, locate and click on Edit under the specific shipping zone you want to offer local pickup. If you have multiple zones, you might need to do this process for each one you want to include local pickup. Now, on the specific shipping zone page, look for and click the button labeled Add Shipping Method. This opens up a dialog where you can choose how you'd like to add this method. In this context, local pickup is another option of delivering goods for your customers without involving third-party shipping providers. Next, in the dialog that appears, select Local Pickup from the drop-down list and click Add Shipping Method. Now it's time to customize this local pickup option. Click on Local Pickup Settings page, which should be visible after the method has been added. Here, you can set specific requirements or fees that might be associated with picking up items locally. Once inside the local pickup settings, look for the section that says Enable Local Pickup. Make sure this box is checked so that customers will see the option at checkout. Enabling this feature will give them the flexibility to choose to pick up their products in person, which can be a great convenience for local customers. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click Save Changes to apply the new settings. It's easy to overlook this step, but remembering to save ensures all your hard work isn't lost, and the changes take effect on your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a local pickup option to your WooCommerce store, quickly and easily. Offering more convenience in how your customers can receive their products is always a plus. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes a positive difference for your business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.